how to bind your pedals in your GameSir G7 SE. So to do this, it's pretty much simple. All you need is the controller itself. So first of all, you'll be able to see this little M button in the very bottom. So it's gonna say M, and then what you're gonna have to do is choose whichever pedal you want or whichever back button you want. Let's say you want the back button over here or the left button. We're gonna go ahead and change our pencil color first so that you can see it more properly. So again, go ahead and press on the M button. It's too thick. Go ahead and press on the M button and then whichever button you want at the same time. So once you go ahead and hold these buttons at the same time, go ahead and take a look at this indicator light over here. If it blinks, then that means it's ready for connection. What you're gonna have to do now is just press whatever button you want to be integrated to this back button. Let's say you want it to be the A button, just go ahead and press on that, and then the blink should just go ahead and stop. Then what you're gonna do now is just confirm if it works. But that is pretty much how you bind any button for your controller to your back pedals over here. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.